Hilton Hotel. As you know, the name is very popular. Let's show you the room. I'll give you a room too. Come. So first of all, you need a card to access the room. That's also this is number 40 card, so it will be this will open at number 40. Come in. Ooh. Just look at this. You have the bedrooms and everything here. This is the main room. You have a mirror here. You can read books. As you know, I'm at Gold Coast. So yeah, this is the kitchen area where you got everything. These are the drawers where you can put your dishes and everything. They give you everything actually. You don't need to get anything. Look at this. Whoa, whoa. Electrical gas. You have a coffee and everything here. Over here. You got fridge. Here there's nothing, but they give you complimentary milk, 2 cans, and extra if you want you can buy it. Then this is where you can sit and have lunch, dinner, breakfast, everything. This is dining. And yeah, you got a lovely sofa. Here you can sit and relax and chill. Then you have this spectacular view over here. It's really amazing. Just look at it. You can see a beach, a city, streets. Look at the lightning. Everything is really spectacular. Then you got a balcony. This is my favorite place, guys. Just come here and feel it. Just feel it. Trust me. I feel like I am at heaven. Trust me, guys. I feel like I am at heaven. Whoa. Just look at it. Look at it. Wow. And then you got beach over here. In the morning you wake up, oh my god. It is amazing feeling. It is amazing feeling. I'm so lucky. I'm spending time in Hilton. I'm really lucky. So yeah, this is the balcony. From here, there's another bedroom. Over here. Ooh. This is the master bedroom, you can say, because you got TV here. With your wife or girlfriend or with family, you can relax here. You got wardrobes, keep your clothes. Here you are everywhere. You got telephone. I'll tell you about this, how this works. And you have a lamp. This is really nice. Whenever we could turn this light off, look at this now. This is so good. This is really good. Look at this view. Wow. Look at this. This is so good. Then you have a clock. You can play your music. Okay. This is FM. You can turn the volume up. Have a nice bathroom attached to a toilet. This is the bathroom. This is the main area where you can do your hairs and everything. They give you the hair dryer. I suggest you guys, if you are coming at Gold Coast, do stay over here because it is amazing. Come, I'll show you the next bedroom. It is really long space. Okay, I'll show you this one. First come in the bedrooms. Whoa! Look at this. The best part about this hotel is the bedrooms, because whenever you open the door, look at this view. Oh my god. Like when I open the doors and look at the view, the bed and everything is so nice. I found I was like speechless. Wow. And that's the sky point over here. There's the sky point. We'll try to go there. Yeah. We got the wardrobe here. We have the lamp. And this is nice. These pictures are nice. Wow. That's cool. Now, here you have the drawers. In this hotel, you have to pay a deposit, which is $100, and that $100 will give you back if you keep the rooms clean. You have the washing machine, you have the dryer, and you got a basket. You have this one to iron your clothes and everything. So yeah, this is really nice. And you have a bar over here. Wardrobe, you can keep your clothes and everything. This is to iron. This is a vacuum unit. You have to clean when you leave the home. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And there is another bathroom with toilet. So yeah, nice. I love this kind of bathrooms. It is really nice. Yeah. Enter this bedroom. You can also access to a balcony. This is the best part. Sorry, I'm telling again and again, but trust me guys, this is like heaven. Like heaven. Wow. Wow. But yeah, we have gym and swimming pool as well. There are 4 swimming pools, but they have closed the one which is outside because it's too windy outside and we can't go, you know, safety purpose and everything. So yeah, so I have shoot some videos on my GoPro. GoPro is kept on charging, so yeah, I'll attach that clip to the video. You can see, and I haven't been to gym from 2 days because I was sleeping. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to the beach in the morning for a jog. So yeah, you know, I'll shoot there, I'll vlog there for you guys so you guys can see. I hope that you guys love it. You have to just press this one. If you press this one, they'll pick up the call from downstairs and you can just tell whatever you want. They'll serve you at your room, but they will charge you. And yeah, this is to control the atmosphere, like the temperature of the room. If it's too hot, you can make it cool. If it's too hot, if it's too cool, then make it hot. You can change the settings, and here there's all the rates and whatever you want to have, you can have. So yeah, so we are going out to take food. We're gonna eat Subway today. I'll show you the city, how it looks at the night time, and I'll show you inside the lift how to use card if you come in here. If you wanna see. So just tap and then you have to just press the number wherever you want to go. So we're going outside, inside view of the hotel, and you enter from here. It's gonna be too windy. I hope it won't be windy much. This all are the clubs. You can enjoy in daytime. You can enjoy the dream world, and at night you can go to clubs, pubs, everywhere. So yeah, it's pretty cool. a lot of clubs. You can go in the night time and enjoy. And there are some segways and electrical bikes, scooters. Even they have petrols, bike and scooter. But like you can hire them for 1 hour, 2 hours. We just did a ride today on an electric scooter. It was like nice. But yeah, that's a good option if you don't have anything to do. Then you can just hire a bike, go everywhere, have fun, and explore the Gold Coast city. There are nice clothes over here. We are going to Subway. So we ordered 8 Subways and 2 drinks and 1 fries as well. So thank you Vidhi so much. I'm gonna shoot a video tomorrow, and thank you for the surprise, Vidhi. Thanks a lot. So guys, see you tomorrow. As always, be happy, be positive, and stay connected. See you guys in the next one.